Starting a business in Kenya is a dream for many people. It is a journey filled with hope, courage, and the desire to build something meaningful. In the year 2026, the process of registering a business has become easier than before because most of it is done online. However, even with this ease, many people still feel confused about where to begin and what steps to follow. This guide will walk you through the entire journey in simple English so that you can understand clearly and take action with confidence. When you decide to start a business, the first thing you need is a clear idea. This idea can be small or big. It can be a shop, an online service, a farm, or even a consultancy. What matters most is that your idea solves a problem or meets a need in the market. In Kenya, many successful businesses started with very simple ideas. For example, selling clothes, offering cleaning services, or starting a small food business. The key is to start with what you have and grow step by step. After you have your idea, the next step is choosing the type of business you want to register. In Kenya, there are different types of business structures. The most common one is a sole proprietorship. This is a business owned by one person. It is simple to start and costs less money. Another type is a partnership, where two or more people run the business together. Then there is a limited company, which is more formal and is suitable for bigger businesses or those planning to grow fast. Each type has its own advantages and responsibilities. For beginners, a sole proprietorship is usually the best choice because it is easy to manage. Before you register your business, you need to prepare a few important documents. You must have your national identity card or passport. You also need a tax identification number, commonly known as a KRA PIN. This is very important because it connects your business to the tax system in Kenya. You will also need a passport-size photo and a working email address. In addition, you should think of at least 3 business names. This is because your first choice might not be available, so it is good to have other options. The process of registering a business in Kenya is done through an online platform. This platform allows you to create an account, submit your details, and pay fees without visiting any office. Once you log into the system, you will find a section for business registration. This is where your journey officially begins. You will be asked to enter your personal details and choose the service you want, which is business name registration or company registration. The first major step in the process is the name search. This step is very important because your business name must be unique. You will submit your preferred names and wait for approval. The cost for this step is about 150 Kenyan shillings. After you submit your names, the system will check if they are already in use. This usually takes 1 to 2 working days. If your name is approved, it will be reserved for you for a limited period. Once your business name is approved, you move to the next step, which is filling in your business details. This includes the nature of your business, your physical location, and your contact information. If you are registering a company, you will also need to provide details of directors and shareholders. This step requires accuracy because any mistake can delay your application. Take your time and ensure everything is correct. After filling in your details, you will be required to upload documents. These documents must be clear and readable. If the system cannot read your documents properly, your application may be rejected. It is important to scan your documents or take clear photos before uploading them. This step ensures that your identity and information are verified. The next step is payment. For a sole proprietorship, the total cost is usually less than 1,000 Kenyan shillings. For a limited company, the cost can range from 10,000 to 15,000 Kenyan shillings. Payment is done through mobile money, bank transfer, or card. Once you make the payment, you will receive a confirmation message. After completing all the steps, you submit your application for review. This is the stage where the registrar checks your information. If everything is correct, your business will be approved within a few days. In most cases, it takes between 3 to 7 working days. Once approved, you will receive a certificate of registration. This certificate is proof that your business is legally recognized in Kenya. Getting your certificate is a big achievement, but it is not the end of the journey. There are still a few important steps you need to take. First, you need to ensure your tax details are in order. This means activating your tax obligations and understanding how to file returns. You may also need to register for value-added tax if your business grows beyond a certain level. Another important step is obtaining a business permit from your county government. This permit allows you to operate legally within a specific location. The cost of this permit varies depending on the type and size of your business. It is important to get this permit to avoid penalties or closure. You should also consider opening a business bank account. This helps you separate your personal money from your business money. It also makes it easier to track your income and expenses. Many banks in Kenya offer accounts designed for small businesses with features that support growth. As your business grows, you may need to register with other institutions. For example, you may need to register with Social Security and health insurance bodies if you have employees. This ensures that your workers are protected and that you comply with the law. Running a business is not always easy. There will be challenges along the way. You may face competition, financial difficulties, or slow growth. However, with determination and proper planning, you can overcome these challenges. It is important to keep learning and improving your skills. Attend workshops, read books, and seek advice from experienced entrepreneurs. Marketing is another key part of your business journey. You need to let people know about your products or services. In today's world, digital marketing is very powerful. You can use social media platforms to reach a large audience at a low cost. You can also create a simple website to showcase your business. Consistency and creativity are important in marketing. Customer service is also very important. Treat your customers with respect and listen to their needs. Happy customers will come back and also recommend your business to others. This helps your business grow naturally without spending too much on advertising. Financial management is another area you must focus on. Keep records of all your transactions. Know how much you earn and how much you spend. This will help you make better decisions and avoid losses. Even if your business is small, good financial habits will prepare you for future growth. It is also important to have a long-term vision for your business. Think about where you want to be in 5 years or 10 years. Set goals and work towards them step by step. Growth does not happen overnight, but with patience and effort, you will see progress. In Kenya, there are many opportunities for entrepreneurs. The economy is growing, and there is a high demand for goods and services. With the right mindset and proper planning, you can build a successful business. The first step is registration, but the real work begins after that. Take action today. Do not wait for the perfect time because it may never come. Start with what you have and learn as you go. Every big business started small. What matters is your willingness to begin and your commitment to continue. In the end, registering a business in Kenya is not just a legal process. It is the beginning of a journey that can change your life. It gives you the opportunity to create income, provide jobs, and contribute to the economy. With the right approach, your business can grow and become something truly meaningful. Believe in yourself, take the first step, and keep moving forward. Your business dream is valid, and with effort and persistence, it can become a reality.